Hello, how are you? I'm good, thanks you. May I ask some question? Yes, sure. Where we can use to speak ability. Can you run fast? Yes, I can. Can you drink tea? Yes, I can. Can you play hockey? No, I can't. Can you study? Yes, I can. Can you drink alcohol? No, I can't. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can. Can you make tea? Yes, I can. Can you cook food? Yes, I can. Can you speak Arabic? No, I can't. Can you play at night? No, I can't. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Thank you for all visits. If you have any question, ask in comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Thank you. Excuse me. Yes. May I talk to you? Yes, of course. Can you speak English? Yes, but not fluency. Can you study a book? Yes. Which book do you study? I study English book. Why are you studying English book? Actually, I want to become a teacher. That's great choice. What do you for free time? I play football. Why do you play football? Because it's my favorite. When you go to play football, I go to play football at 4 o'clock. Thank you, my dear. You are welcome. Goodbye.